Don't know when your MOT is due? Not sure what service you need? Find out what service you need and get an instant price in 20 seconds. Enter your car registration. It will show you the details of your car and prices, as well as your MOT due date. You can book your MOT a month before it's due. Booking a service along with your MOT can save you time and money. Click the Help Me Choose a Service if you don't know what you need. You can see everything that is included in the service schedule, as well as the suggested service being ticked for you. You might also get the MOT at a discounted price as it is combined with the service. Choose the preferred date and time that is most convenient for you. You only pay once the work is done. You'll get an email confirmation with the booking details. Once the work is done, we will prompt you to leave a review. We go that extra mile to make you smile.